Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade perpetual futures on Jupiter Perps, a powerful trading feature built right on Solana. You don't need any centralized exchange, you don't need any KYC, just fast on-chain leverage trading. So whether you want to long Solana or short Ethereum, or just try leverage for the first time, this step-by-step guide will walk you through it. So let's dive into it. But before we get started, what is Jupiter Perps? Jupiter Perps is a decentralized perpetual futures trading platform on Solana. So it allows you to long or short tokens like Ethereum, BTC, and others with up to 10x leverage. So let's get into it. Before you get started, make sure you have a Solana wallet that is like Phantom wallet or Flare or even Backpack. So you need to also have some Sol for transaction fees. Then you need to have USDC on Solana. If you don't have USDC before now, just head over to jup.ag. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Instead of clicking on wrong links, I would prefer you go through the Phantom dApp. Once you click on these dApps, you scroll down, then you will see Jupiter. It's better you go through this method so you don't click on wrong links, but I'll be leaving the link in the description just in case. Then you click on Jupiter. If you need to swap if you don't have USDC before now, then you need to swap into USDC. So just head to this place. Once it opens, if you don't have USDC before now, just convert some of your tokens to USDC. Then once you are done doing that, then you click on this Perps. The next thing is to click on this Perps over here. We need to go to Perps. Then you click on accept and continue. Then if this is your first time, you will need to connect your wallet at the top right. You can see mine is connected. Then once you choose your wallet, then approve the connection. Then you are ready to trade. You can see my own account is connected. So the next thing you need to do is to pick a trading pair you want to trade. Like for example, you can see Sol, you can see Ethereum, you can see WBTC. Let's go with Sol. So when you scroll down, for you to set up your trade, choose whether you want to long. You can see long/buy. You can see short/sell. So when you want to longing is betting if the price will go up. Then shorting, you can see shorting. Shorting is to bet if the price will go down. But we want to long. Let's put it on long. Then you scroll down. You are paying, remember, is USDC we want to use. Click on this, so change it to USDC. Then I'll put, you're paying, then you put your amount, any amount you want to use. Then let me proceed to put 10. Then you come down to this leverage. Then use the leverage slider. This is the slider. Move it to any leverage, any X you want it to be on. So adjust how much you want to borrow up to. Is it 10x or? But to be on a safe side, I always advise not exceeding 5x to be on a safe side. So you can see we don't even have enough Solana. The Sol balance is lower than recommended amount. Recommended amount to be on your wallet as of if you want to trade futures on your Jupiter Perps is 0.03 Sol. So but I don't have up to that, but let's continue. So once you do that, once you put your leverage, let me reduce mine to 3. Once you set your leverage, then when you come down, you will see estimated liquidation. You can see my estimated liquidation price 115. Then you will see my entry price, that is 160.76. It's actually fluctuating because I'm using the markets, or I'm using the market price. I'm not using limit. If I click on this limit, then I will need to adjust this price to a price I want it to buy to long for me. I don't know if you understand me. If like you want to actually long the market, but you don't want to buy as this at this 160 US dollar, that is the current market price. Let's say you want to buy, you feel the market will still drop to, let's say, 158 before it will start going up very well. Then you can set your price for it to dump and peak whenever. It's not a must it will peak. So that is it. But I want to use market price. So let me put it back to market. Okay, so once you are done setting all this, the next thing you need to do is to just take a second to review everything. Then after you are done, once you are ready, just click on long and buy. Then you confirm, that is to approve transaction in your wallet. So you can see, once your trade is open, head to positions. You can see positions. We're already on positions. When you head to positions, I'm actually at loss, you can see. But that's by the way. Let me continue my teaching. Open your trade. Once your trade is open, head to positions, that is this place. Then you will see your entry mark price, you will see your entry price, you will see the size of leverage, this. You will see liquidation price. You can actually close this trade at any time. But important thing is, once you set your order like this, then come back to this create TP, this take profit and stop loss. Then you click on it. You can see. So this is you when you come here, you set your stop loss. TP price, you can set TP price to be, let's say, TP price. You can set TP price, that is when you want to take profit, you feel it will pump to, let's say, 170. TP price. You can see the TP price here. So if you actually get to 170 US dollar, I will be going home with 14.96. So once I click confirm, it will be set. I don't know if you get. Then you can proceed here to click on stop loss. You set your stop loss to be at, you bought, we bought at 160. So you can choose to set your stop loss to be at maybe 158, so you don't lose much, or 15. Stop loss price is between, yes, you can set 159 to stop the loss. You get, then you click confirm, and that's all. I don't know if you get me. So let's go back. Let's go back to trade. So once you set your stop loss, no, dismiss. So once you set your stop loss, then it's always very good to set your stop loss. If you want to close the trade at any time, you can click on this close tab here. To close the trade, you will just click on close here. Then choose if you want to close all the trade, or you just want to take me like 50% of it, or 100%. So because this is for teaching purpose, I'll just close 100%. So I will click on confirm, then approve transaction in my wallet. So the remaining USDC and any profit you've made will return to your wallet. Will return to your wallet balance. So here are a few smart trading tips on these futures perps. It's always advisable to stick to low leverage, like 1x to 3x if you are new. I'm not talking about pros. If you are new, then set your stop loss and TP levels if you plan to leave your screen. Like if you set your order and you're not watching it, it's always advisable to set your TP and stop loss. Then don't forget your gas fee. Always have enough so handy. You can see I was told I have small, my soul is smaller than recommended amount, and the recommended amount is 0.03, which is around $4. This is just to cover your gas fee. They're not going to take all, but they recommend you have enough, so at least $4 in your wallet before trading. But I had like $2, but I was able to trade. So this is just for you to understand that it's just a recommended price. So, and that is it, guys. Jupiter Perps makes it super easy to trade with leverage, so no centralized exchange is needed, and it runs fast on Solana. So if this tutorial actually helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tools like this.